Welcome to the 200-watt solar verdict, a feasibility analysis for running 12-volt refrigeration systems on entry-level solar arrays. We'll explore whether a 200W system can meet your off-grid cooling needs. The executive summary is a clear yes. A 200W panel can power a 12-volt fridge. However, success is dependent on daily sun hours and adequate battery storage capacity. Let's look at the fundamentals. The generation, or supply, from a 200W panel is around 800 to 1,000 watt-hours per day, assuming 5 hours of peak sunlight. The demand, or load, from a 12-volt compressor fridge is typically 30 to 60 amp-hours daily. This leaves a surplus for small devices. Compressor efficiency is key. Modern DC compressor fridges are highly efficient, often running on a low duty cycle of around 20%. They are optimized for 12 or 24-volt systems, but remember that consumption rises significantly in ambient temperatures above 30 degrees Celsius. The solar harvest trend shows a 24-hour cycle. The generation surplus during daylight hours must be stored in batteries to cover the overnight consumption gap, where there is no solar input. This chart illustrates the daily energy budget allocation. The 12-volt fridge is the primary load, followed by minor consumption from devices like laptops, phones, and LED lights, all of which are covered by the solar supply. The battery bank acts as the storage bridge, since solar panels cannot power the fridge directly at night. We recommend a 100 amp-hour lithium battery and an MPPT controller to harvest up to 30% more power. Be aware of efficiency threats. Heavy overcast conditions can drop output by 80 to 90%, so overspec your storage. Partial shading can cut production in half. Always ensure optimal panel orientation. Here is the system performance matrix. A 200W monocrystalline panel generates about 1,000 watt-hours daily. A 50-liter compressor fridge consumes about 40 amp-hours. A 100 amp-hour lithium battery provides the needed storage. The efficiency factor is vital. An MPPT charge controller ensures high conversion efficiency, meaning almost every watt harvested reaches the battery. This system provides 2.5 autonomy days of backup. In conclusion, the 200-watt solar array is validated as the sweet spot for off-grid 12-volt refrigeration, providing sufficient buffer for consistent performance and charging small appliances.